to the last. I need to read it to the last. Let me get my reading eyeglass because this is very, very important. A lot of people need to know this this history because US they claims not to be aware of what happened to the Biafrans, but indirectly they supported the Nigerian government through UK because UK are their colonies. I mean, no, UK colonizes United States. Yes, if I'm not mistaken. So they have a role they play. Instead of defending the Biafrans, they help the UK, which is their colonies, and also the Zoological Republic of Nigeria to fight against the Biafrans in terms of starvation and deny them of basic things. Anyway, let me proceed. The background of the problem, according to them, northern and the western states. Okay, an Igbo general stepped in and tried honestly to hold the union together for a year, but the coup leaders were unpunished and the spiral was rapid. 6 months later, the general was murdered and 30 to 40,000 Igbos were savagely slaughtered in the north. Young colonies in a coalition of West and Northern took over in Lagos. The East, 2 and 3 Igbos, half minority tribes, took back a flood of terrified Igbo refugees from the rest of the country and talked secession. Secession there followed a predictable sequence of mutual bad fate, mounting Chauvin and overflanking the moderate. The war began in July of 1967. It has come down to a standoff with the rebels. Christian de Biafra hold up in the Igbo heartland, about half the territory. They began the war with the first outnumber the Biafrans 2-1 ineffective, but French arms and higher morale keep the rebels party for the present. You get it? You see what is happening? You see how they declassified all these things, even when they know the truth, but they keep on turning it upside down. All these are classified documents. I'm very sorry if there's any mistake in reading because the document is very tiny. Even with my reading glass, I find it difficult to read through. But I think I have to leave it here. But in case anybody need the link to this very news, please inbox me or drop it at the comment section that you need this link, and drop a thing where either WhatsApp or email address or whatever that I will read to reach you. I will send this to you so that you can read it yourself. Because even me reading it here with reading eyeglass, still yet it is very tiny. He said these classified documents have been for decades. So imagine how it will be. And this one is being used by typewriting, all this paper they are using in those days. Not a normal typing that you can type or photocopy. So my wonderful people, please, I be like saying I hear me, I go back break you because this news. If I say I should continue it, maybe by tomorrow I wouldn't have completed it. But I want you people to know and bear it in mind that United States of America are aware what happened to the Biafrans, and they contributed immensely to it through their allies, UK, France, and other Western allies. Maybe I can call Israel, but Israel played a double role. They supported the Biafrans and also supported the Zoological Republic of Nigeria. Anyway, make sure like this message, share it, comment on it, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. For I'll be back with another blog. Have a nice day. May the good Lord be bless us all. Amen.